In this video, I'll show you how to fix the issue where File Explorer isn't responding or won't open in Windows 11. First, open the Start menu and search for Control Panel, then click to open it. In the top right corner, set View by the large icons, then select File Explorer options. In the window that appears, make sure Open File Explorer to is set to this PC. Then scroll down to the Privacy section and click Clear. After that, click Apply and OK, and check if the issue is resolved. If it's still not working, go back to the Start menu and search for Task Manager, then open it. In the list of processes, find Windows Explorer, right-click on it, and select Restart. Once it restarts, check again to see if File Explorer is working. If the problem continues, open the Start menu, search for Command Prompt, right-click it, and choose Run as Administrator. In the Command Prompt window, type sfc/scano, then press Enter. This will scan your system for corrupted or damaged files. Wait until the process reaches 100%, which should only take a few minutes. After it's done, check if the issue is fixed. If none of these steps work, try one last method. Open the Start menu, search for Misconfig, and open System Configuration. Go to the Services tab, check the box for Hide all Microsoft services, then click Disable all. After that, click Apply and OK, and restart your computer. Once your PC restarts, the File Explorer issue should be resolved. If you found this helpful, feel free to leave a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.